How to remove person from photo in Canva. So if you want to remove a person from photo in Canva, then first you need to open up your Canva. You can go with canva.com and make sure that you've logged into your account. Once you've logged in, now you need to go with your document where you have your view or the person. You can go with the elements or you can also go with uploads. And from here you can select a photo. And after selecting, now if you want to remove the person, then you just need simply go with the edit, which is on the upper left. And after that, here this will pop out, right? So from here, you will have the Magic Studio option. And under Magic Studio, you need to go with Magic Eraser. So click on the Magic Eraser. Once you click on the Magic Eraser, you'll be able to erase the person like this, as you can see on the video. You'll have perfect pictures every time. But for that, you need to have a subscription. You need to have Canva Plus or Canva Pro. And once you have Canva Pro, you'll be able to erase this person from this image. That's how you can remove person from photos in your Canva. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.